What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Checking in with you guys from the future. Aston wanted to make a little intro for you guys. The footage you guys are about to watch is the Obsessed Garage Open House Part 2. Definitely had a good time with all the homies. If you guys enjoyed the footage, please drop a like and subscribe for future content. All right, so we're walking into one of his warehouses where he has some stuff half priced for sale. So let's go check it out. Thank you. Got the warehouse where he ships everything out. Crazy. Yo, this is Kyler's dream right here. Detail God and detail heaven.
These are amazing.
Yeah?
I bought the big one, the XL Racer, Car Pro.
Fire more O&R.
Hell yeah, $10 bro, $10 you can't beat
Not
it.
bad, not bad. $10 O&R.
I got one for my dad, I just want to make sure that I get it.
Not bad, not bad.
Not bad, fire.
Not bad, not bad. Bro, I feel someone tailing my ass. Oh, here we go. The dream team right here. Dan's got the O&R. Benny's about to pick up this whole shelf. We got the bead maker. You already know I represent PNS. Got the brake buster. So anything off these shelves you can grab. It's like detail heaven, and there's AC. So we're in the warehouse now. You can literally grab anything off the shelf and snag it. And he's got some drying towels, O&R. We got his merch line right here. You can just grab shirt, hat. Pretty freaking cool. Super nice. Anything detailing wise, you can pick it up. Sick. Yo, you get a drying towel. You get a drying towel. You get a drying towel.
I got a drying towel.
You already got a drying towel.
You already got a drying towel.
Chris, where's your drying towel?
You in for a broke or what?
Literally, PNS heaven. This is what I use on my cars, guys. Brake buster, bead maker. They have it all. Obsessed Garage HQ. We're in the man's office, podcast room. Man's got all those plaques here.
You know, low key,
we should do a podcast
studio at our apartment.
Oh, you do? 100,000 subscriber plaque. Goals. Ken, what are we getting?
So OG tire dressing.
Oh yeah.
This is one of his
Benny
newest formulas.
Oh yeah.
And then obviously Optimum no rinse. You gotta have this.
Gotta have that.
Especially it's on sale too.
Heck yeah, $10. Can't beat it.
Exactly.
Man's gonna need a shopping cart after this.
Don't tell my fiance.
You heard it here first. It's like a kid in the Christmas candy store.
I'm debating if I should get some more decon soap.
I'll hold back. Trip, bro. You made the trip. We got another GT3. Yeah.
But I thought.
I mean, this is fire though. Not bad. Josh for the vlog. Boy, Josh arrived in his new car. We're about to do a reveal.
YouTube gang, what's up?
Man traded his 228 for
comment, and subscribe.
all day, all day. Man upgraded to a super bro. So Josh was N20 boys, then he went N55 boys, and now he's a B58 boy. Sheesh. All right, here's Josh's new car. Got A91 Supra, brand fucking new, so clean. Man went from the N20 life with me. He had a 228, and then he upgraded to a 235 with an N55, and now he is a B58 boy with his Supra. Brand new, still has his temp tag. Thing is clean. Look at that paint. Look at that red paint. So nice. Oh shit, I've never sat in a Supra before, so here we go. Oh, this thing is tight in here. Super nice. Still has that brand new car smell. First time in a Supra, definitely tight, but definitely sporty. There you go. Thing is clean. The Boopra, BMW Supra, as John Thick Whip says. Thing is so nice. So nice.
People say it's good. Well, STI might be naturally fine.
We got the F8. We got Caleb's car. He has Vargas upgraded turbos. He's running port, meth, I think. Or actually he's running meth, not port. Man's pushing probably like 600, 650 to the wheels on that custom F80 Paul tune that he's trying to dial in right now. Like I said, he's going to the track a little later. Man is a straight race car. He's the fastest M3, M4 that I know from my friend group. We got my car, all the cars looking clean. Ken's car, immaculate. Chris's car, so clean. Jonathan's car, everybody's car, so fucking clean. Great turnout so far.
This isn't bad. I have headroom.
Probably the perfect driving position.
Is this the next car? Are you back to Super, bro?
Bro, it's nice. You have to take a seat. It's
I did.
Dude, and like the
Super tight,
no
super
back
nice.
seats and stuff like that, it doesn't bother me at all. Yeah.
I mean, you never use your old ones anyway. For groceries, right? All right, Josh, so what's the verdict? Which car is your favorite so far? I know the N20 has your heart, but what about the B58? The 228 the most?
It's the most balanced.
N20, what? Kyler, he said N20 is the best car so far.
But I mean,
No trunk light, but that's all you need.
I grabbed this thing and I was
Yeah. It's enough for groceries, that's all you need.
stock tips are real nice.
they're like
those are thick.
3.5.
Oh, those are huge, yeah. Kyler's car looking clean. Got Xavier's car. Yeah, what's she gonna do? Walk around? We're talking about our fiancés. They stay home today because they're not waking up with us to do some car stuff.
I got permission to be out here.
There you go. You got permission to leave. Free Saturday. But now we're waiting for the shuttle, and they're gonna take us to Matt's house, and
We're gonna see
go
a
from
man's
there.
house. We're gonna see the man's house.
oh my God, it's gonna be so nice. It's a brand new house. He's still working on it. He's working on, but that garage is gonna be a dream garage setup. You ready?
Ready to see my goals.
Yeah, goals, goals, goals. Soaked. White shirt, still soaked. Yeah, I'm good, I'm good.
White shirts, man.
Vlogception, vlogception.
That's why I wear that dry fit.
True that. So now we're just waiting for the shuttle, but we're hiding from the sun because it's hot. Typical Florida, you already know. You already know. Vlogception. Vlogception. You vlogging?
I'm filming for him in Florida vlog.
True, true, true. Vlogception. Alright, so this is the van that's gonna shuttle them to the house. So I think we're gonna pile in and go. Let go. Let go, let go. We got the shuttle with the boys. The vloggers in the back. Everybody vlogging. Everybody. We got Caleb's vlog camera.
I'm vlogging right now. I mean, it's I don't want to say it's common, but
Pulling up to Matt's house now. Obsessed Garage. HQ.
Dude, this lady's probably like, what is going on?
Yeah.
Money laundering.
Alright, we just pulled up to Obsessed Garage's house with the crew.
got a basketball eye.
And
on camera, you know.
let's go, let's go.
Too many people vlogging.
This is crazy.
Please turn your camera off.
Oh, okay. Oh. So the shuttle guy just said to walk in and go do whatever we want, I guess. Man's gotta flex his house. Love it. How's it going, man?
Good, how are you?
Good. Dang, house vlog, house tour. So they just moved in a few months ago and they're still staging everything with furniture. But I guess he wanted everyone to see his setup, which is kind of cool. What YouTuber is gonna show people their house? Like let people in their house is crazy. Super dope. All right, this island, it's bigger than my room, man.
Yeah, this is what makes the kitchen.
Look at Kyler, compare to the island. Look crazy.
6 of meat on there.
Little editing setup. Nice fridge. But here's what people came for. We got his E92. Look at these seats. The boys are saying they're 10K. Insane. Look at all these shelves. Look at this garage, guys. The shit's on my garage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, the shit's on all of us.
In time. We'll try to get there.
So I'm almost an expert on these products, getting customers the products that they want and need for their garage. And so in this space, this is basically Matt's. absolutely in love with this house. This is kind of like a temporary house for him. But it gives us an opportunity to share the process for a lot of us who talk about this size of garage. You know, not everyone has huge shops and stuff like that at GHQ. Yeah, exactly. So, yeah, in this garage we have free lighting, so that's something that's going to be coming to available from free that are linear fixtures for lighting. These are more designed to be recessed. But,
Look at this.
Pretty awesome. So as you can see,
Crazy.
none of the tools are organized right now.
Yeah.
Like I said, it's an upcoming project.
Bro, that's a way better than my wrench drawer.
That's actually something that
Would you guys say it's a full carbon bike?
Yeah.
Thanks, dollar signs.
probably gonna help a bit on
I can't find it.
So if you guys follow Obsessed Garage, this is his garage at his new place, So Fire. This is where he films some of his new videos. His house obviously is super nice, but this is the setup. 4 car spots, bunch of lighting, AC in here, so nice. Remote control, attic door, what? Yo, Ken, we got automated attic doors. This is crazy. And then on the other side we have a lift.
Damn, I want my girl to put snacks there and just lower them when I'm working on the car.
Crazy. Camera's battery's dying, so we're taking over on the phone. This is the other side. So basically you can load stuff into here and then raise it back up. That's crazy. And then you can pick it up from the other side with the stairs. So sick. Never seen that before. I've never seen it at all in my life. That is baller.
do kitchen stuff. But in our application,
Damn, look at this E30. It's mint. Mint condition. BBS's. This is a timeless classic right here. Alright, we're taking over on my phone right now. My G7X battery died, go figure. That's on me though, because I know I need some extra batteries for that camera. Shit died so fast. But yeah, we're rolling out now. I got Kylie in the back. We got the homies. We're gonna roll out and get some pictures together, and then probably call it a day. Definitely a good turnout here though, so shout out to Obsessed Garage for hosting the event. Big Poppy flex. Big flex, big flex. Alright, like I just mentioned, my camera died, my vlogging camera, the G7X battery died. I know I need to get a new battery, but we're on the way now to go take some photos. So the event was super fun. It was super hot, as you guys can see, I'm sweating, but we need to take some photos and probably call it a day. Take you along for the ride. Alright, so Jonathan just showed us this spot. Everybody's hard parked. Everybody's parked. We got Skittles, we got M&Ms. Got the whole rainbow. The whole rainbow. We got Jonathan flying the drone. Sorry for the wind noise. All right, everybody snap some pics in. Everybody is sweating bullets. Everybody's car's posted up, but it's hot as hell today. I mean, at least it's not raining, but yeah, everyone's in the shade. Jonathan's boy snapping some photos of all of our cars. I think they're gonna turn out sick. I snapped a couple as well. This is just dope. M&Ms. M's everywhere. And the BMW Supra. Let's go. All right, everybody's fueling up before we go back to Orlando.
Check out this app, Get Upside. I'm here right now. I'm gonna select it, get 15 cents back per gallon.
I have it.
That's on my video right now.
True that. Gas station takeover. We're waiting for the other guys, and then we're gonna head back to Orlando, get some food. Yes, sir. Other guys pulled up. Everybody's gassing out before we go back to Orlando, get some food. Yo, check out Josh's headlights though. Woo-wee. Make sure you guys give everybody here a follow. I'll also add the other guys that left in the description below. Saturdays for the boys. Made it to Korea house with the boys. All you can eat. Chris is first time having Korean.
Let the ball trying Orlando Korean. I'm not
Orlando
from here,
Korean.
so I'm trying it
He's
out.
from Fort Lauderdale, South Florida.
Yeah.
They have a couple places down there.
Pretty fire.
So far. Right, every time we take Chris out, we take him to some new Asian place. First bun me and now this place.
Bro, he can't even handle it. Look at him.
I'm not a spice guy, bro.
Really? Everything's spicy here.
Don't like that. No, I was like, wait, hold on. Yo, you caught him saying that?
But I find it's only like 30 something.
Grubbin, KBBQ. Gotta wrap it up though.
Stop.
Ken, you wanna close out the vlog?
Nah, it's all you, man.
Alright, brothers. Alright, that's a wrap. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you drop a like, comment,
We conquered.
subscribe,
Listen, like, comment, and subscribe.
and follow all the boys. I'll leave their Instagrams down below.
And eat Korean barbecue.
And eat Korean barbecue. Alright, I'm peacing out early. Goodbye to the homies. Alright, that's gonna wrap it up for this week's video. I wanna thank you guys for watching. Make sure you drop a like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you on next week's video. We got something planned in the works already. You got anything to say, Acid? That's a wrap.